friends, it's Auntie Rifna here. Today we are going to do something exciting. Are you ready? Let's go and see.
So today we are going to do the Oobleck science experiment. Friends, do y'all know what Oobleck is? Oobleck is cornstarch and water that when mixed together can act like a solid and a liquid. So first, let's see what a liquid is. A liquid is something that flows freely. For example, water. And when water is in a cold or freezing temperature, it turns into ice, and ice is a solid. So solids are objects that keep their own shape and do not flow in a given temperature. Alright, so now let's begin with our experiment and let's see how our Oobleck acts like a solid and a liquid. So first, let's see what we need for our experiment. We need some cornstarch, water and food coloring. So first, we mix cornstarch and water into a bowl. So we need to mix the cornstarch and water until your Oobleck is formed, just like this. Can you see? I'm adding a little bit more water. And you need to mix it like this. And next, I'm adding some food coloring to my water and cornstarch mixture. I used some pink food coloring. Even you can add your favorite color to your cornstarch and water mixture. And now I'm going to use my hands to mix. So friends, can you all see? You need to mix it well like this. Oopsie, I think my mixture is a little bit too watery and not forming into a solid. So now I added a little bit more cornstarch and I need to mix it. And now I think my Oobleck is ready. So to check that, I'm going to use a spoon and hit the top of the Oobleck quickly. And then you'll notice the spoon bouncing. Did you see that? And now let's pick up our Oobleck with our hands and form a ball. Can you see? And now let go of the ball and watch it melt into your hands like magic. Let's try it once more. Let's pick up some Oobleck and form a ball. And then let go of the ball and watch it melt. Even you can try this at home with your mommy and daddy. I hope you enjoyed. See you on another day. Bye bye.